The manifestation of your desires depends directly upon your communication with the universe. The more effectively you convey your message to the universe, the more quickly it responds. But the fact is that many people fail to effectively communicate with the universe. They can't deliver their intentions to the universe, and they often fail to manifest what they want. Communicating with the universe is an art, and you will have to master this art to manifest your desires. In this mind-expanding video, we're delving into how you can effectively communicate with the universe to manifest your deepest desires. Stay tuned till the end and discover the reasons why learning to communicate with the universe is a game changer for manifesting your dreams. Whether you're seeking love, abundance, or success, this video holds the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. The universe reflects consciousness. Your reality and experiences serve as auditions for your attention, much like celestial bodies orbiting the sun. Thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and sensations depend entirely on the energy you invest. What you choose to ignore ceases to exist in your experiential realm. Events need not become your experience if you don't give them your attention. This may seem counterintuitive, yet it's a fact worth considering. When you withhold your attention, events lose their impact on your vibrational frequency. In the realm of the law of attraction, thoughts are often seen as creators of reality. However, thoughts in themselves are empty vessels, and they need our attention to become our reality. You possess the power to energize them with a yes or dismiss them with a no. Thank you. Thoughts guide the flow of your energy and influence the response of the universe. The key to communicating with the universe involves directing your energy toward positive thoughts and ignoring those emanating negativity. On the journey to communicate with the universe, the first step is paying attention to your attention. From the moment you enter this world, the universe asks, "What do you want?" To effectively convey your desires, understand the language of energy it speaks. The universe doesn't discern languages, it reads your vibrational reactions. Any response you offer to the universe is interpreted as a yes, requesting more of that. Grasping this dynamic is akin to mastering the art of selective engagement. Like a skilled conductor directing an orchestra, we must choose which thoughts and emotions to amplify through our attention. Focusing our attention on a specific aspect of our reality is, in essence, casting a vote for its amplification. Conversely, by withholding attention from certain thoughts or circumstances, we convey a message to the universe that we are disinterested or opposed to their presence in our experience. This profound realization underscores our immense power in the co-creation of our reality. Our attention serves as the conduit through which we communicate preferences to the universe, determining the composition of our life symphony. Moving on to the second aspect, think and speak in the present tense. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, recognizes only the now as reality. Everything unfolds in the present moment. Past and future thoughts may arise, but they are like echoes, while the present is where the universe listens intently. When contemplating the universe as a manifestation of consciousness, we realize that thinking is a form of communication with this expansive entity. However, the universe comprehends thoughts and feelings differently than we might initially perceive. If you repeatedly say, "I will be successful," the universe hears, "I don't want success right now." Instead, feel as if you already possess what you seek. Every conceivable reality already exists, including what you desire. Feel as though you've already achieved it, and the universe will start shaping your reality accordingly. The profound implication is that we must feel as though we already possess what we aim to attract. Every potential reality exists in the vast tapestry of existence, including the one we seek. By immersing ourselves in the present moment, feeling as if we've already achieved our desires, we begin to synchronize our vibrational frequency with the universe's creative forces. Thus, communication with the universe involves not just the articulation of desires, but the embodiment of those desires in the now. Continuing our quest to understand how to speak to the universe, we reach the crucial step of expanding your consciousness. To do so is akin to acquiring expertise in a complex game where the rules are not always evident. Life, unlike a linear story, is a dynamic and interactive game, and your level of mastery is determined by your awareness of its multifaceted dimensions. When you engage in a poker game with seasoned players, those who are novices can easily fall prey to their strategic maneuvers. In a similar vein, as you expand your consciousness and become aware of the myriad variables in the universe, you enhance your ability to navigate the complexities of life. It's akin to learning the unspoken rules of the game, enabling you to make well-informed decisions and ultimately to gain greater control over your own reality. The process of expanding your consciousness involves broadening your awareness of your inner self, your thought patterns, and the universe that surrounds you. In this game of existence, the more variables you uncover and understand, the better equipped you become to play it skillfully. By embracing this expanded awareness, you transition from being a passive player to an active participant, making informed choices that align with your desired reality. Our fourth step is listening to your guidance system, which serves as your compass in the vast universe of energy. The universe doesn't understand human languages, it converses in the language of energy. Thoughts and words often prove unreliable as they rarely align with your true inner state. Your feelings, your gut, your intuitive responses, they serve as your guidance system. Since we are talking about the importance of our language and our words, so let's take this chance to send a message to the universe by affirming in the comment section, "I am in control of my thoughts and emotions." When something feels good, it resonates with your true path. Conversely, when it feels bad, it indicates a divergence from your authentic self. The guidance system hinges on resonance. Follow what resonates with you, ignore what doesn't, and do not grant significance to what induces negativity. The egoic mind may attempt to convince you that following it will lead to pleasure. However, it's vital to discern the difference between ego-driven desires and true resonance. If it feels good, trust it. If it feels bad, release it. By consistently following the breadcrumb trail of what feels good, you align yourself with your true path, eliminating the need for overthinking. Now let's delve into our fifth and final step, harnessing the power of repetition to fathom the universe's workings. Peer into the realm of your subconscious mind, which mirrors the universe's modus operandi. The law of attraction primarily draws from your subconscious, disregarding the fleeting thoughts of your conscious mind, which continually flit between various subjects. Your subconscious mind, lacking the capacity to reject information, impartially validates all viewpoints. It cannot differentiate between reality and imagination, often evoking emotions as if past events were unfolding in the present. Remaining grounded in the present and avoiding dwelling on past wounds is essential, as lingering there can attract similar experiences and perpetuate old mistakes. Moreover, the subconscious lacks intentionality. It's merely a repository of stored data, absorbing what garners the most attention, including the sum of your social conditioning and personal experiences. Your subconscious does not filter unhealthy thoughts. That responsibility falls upon your shoulders. Utilizing the power of repetition, you can actively reprogram your subconscious beliefs. If you aspire to transform from insecurity to confidence, repeatedly affirming, "I am the most confident person in the world," can be your mantra. The key lies not in parroting empty words, but in genuinely feeling the confidence you seek. Your present state is irrelevant. Focus on what you aspire to become. Persistently reinforcing positive affirmations allows them to coalesce energetically. Subsequently, your subconscious grasps this shift and starts manifesting it in your field of experience. As you truly feel more confident, your actions, behavior, and words will naturally reflect this newfound confidence. In this symbiotic dance with the universe, your thoughts and emotions ripple through the cosmic fabric, shaping the landscape of your reality. The power lies not just in affirmations, but in the genuine emotions you infuse into them. Imagine your desires as seeds planted in the fertile soil of the universe, where your emotions act as the nourishing rain. Positive vibrations reverberate, attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with your aspirations. As you navigate this co-creative process, understand that challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. Embrace them as opportunities for growth, recognizing that the universe responds not only to your desires, but also to your resilience and determination. Your journey is a continual dialogue, a conversation with the cosmos, where each thought, each emotion, plays a crucial role in the unfolding narrative of your life. Speaking to the universe involves an ongoing commitment to self-awareness. Regularly assess the patterns of your thoughts and emotions, ensuring they align with the reality you wish to manifest. Like a sculptor molding clay, you shape your existence through the thoughts you choose to amplify and the emotions you allow to linger. It's a dynamic interplay, an ebb and flow between your intentions and the cosmic responses. The present moment serves as the canvas upon which you paint your desires. Feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if they are already present in your life. This isn't wishful thinking, it's a profound acknowledgement of the universe's responsiveness to your energetic vibrations. Your dreams are not distant stars, but living entities, eager to manifest when nurtured with unwavering belief and positive energy. Remember, the universe doesn't operate on a timeline. It responds to the now. Align your thoughts and emotions with the present tense, letting go of the constraints of past and future. Your aspirations exist in the eternal present, and the universe eagerly awaits your conscious co-creation.